Imagine strolling back to your beloved ride only to find an uninvited scratch back at you. It's like an unwelcome guest that you never, but we're here to help. We'll show you how to erase these scratches, restoring your car's beauty. Fear not, dear friends, because today you'll become the scratch-removing superhero your car needs. First things first, gather your weapons for this battle against those pesky scratches. Let's meet your new best friends in this skirmish. First up, we have a humble bucket of soapy water. Just your average everyday bucket filled with water and a dash of car-friendly soap. This will be your first line of defense, washing away any dirt or grime surrounding the scratch. Next, we have the microfiber cloth. Soft, gentle, yet highly effective. This cloth will dry your car after its soapy bath, preparing the stage for the next warriors. The third member of your arsenal is the sandpaper. No ordinary sandpaper, mind you, but automotive grade, ready to smooth out the edges of your scratches. Next in line is the rubbing compound, the magician of the group. It works its magic by polishing the sanded area to match the rest of your car's surface, and last but not least, the touch-up paint. This is the final touch that erases the memory of the scratch completely. With these tools in hand, you're all set to bring back your car's flawless charm. Now, let's dive into the healing process. Remember, patience is key. It's kind of like waiting for your favorite car to be released, or for a kettle to boil when you're desperate for that cup of tea. So, step 1. Ensure the scratched area is as clean as a whistle. Use a mild soap and water mixture or a specially designed car cleaning solution. This is to make sure there are no dust particles or dirt trying to crash the party. It's a bit like preparing a canvas for a masterpiece, except this canvas has wheels and a horsepower. Next up, we're going to sand it down. This isn't a beach holiday, but we're bringing the sand. Using a piece of wet sandpaper, gently smooth out the scratched area. It's a bit like exfoliating, but for your car. Remember, it's not a wrestling match. Be gentle with your car. Once you're done with the sanding, it's time to move on to the rubbing compound. Think of it as a magic potion that's going to help our car heal. Apply it carefully onto the scratched area and gently rub it in with a microfiber cloth. It's a bit like applying a healing balm on a wound. Now, get ready for the grand finale, the touch-up paint. This is where you'll see the scratch disappearing act. It's like a magician's final trick, but no rabbits or hats involved. Apply the paint carefully and evenly, making sure it blends in with the rest of your car's paintwork. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's like watching that final piece of a puzzle fit in, and voila, the scratch is gone. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. The healing process might be over, but the restoration isn't. It's a bit like baking a cake. You've mixed all the ingredients, but it still needs to go into the oven. So stick around for the next scene as we move on to the finishing touches. After the paint dries, it's time for the finishing touches. Now we're entering the realm where the magic truly happens. It's like being an artist, but your canvas is your beloved car. This stage is all about polishing the area to blend in with the rest of your car's body. You might be tempted to skip this step, but trust me, it's like leaving a symphony halfway. You wouldn't want your car to sport a patchy, mismatched look, would you? The key to a seamless repair is the perfect blend, and that's where polishing comes into play. Grab your polishing compound and buffing pad, and let's give your car the shine it deserves. With gentle circular motions, gradually blend the repaired area into the surrounding paint. It's like a dance, a waltz between you and your car, creating a symphony of shine. And voila! Your car is now not just scratch-free, but also has a renewed glow. There you have it, a scratch-free, shiny, happy car. So, the next time an errant shopping cart or a careless passerby leaves a mark on your car, you know what to do. Let's quickly recap. We've armed ourselves with the right tools, healed our car's wounds, and polished to perfection. It's not rocket science, but with a little patience, you can turn those pesky scratches into a mere memory. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because here at Drift Tires, we're all about keeping your ride looking its best. Until next time, Happy driving!